Explain to me why people have to choose between convenience and connection. Explain to me why technology has mostly been used to drive people apart. Call me crazy. Say I want to have my cake and eat it too. But it's 2021. We can do better. MotivateU uses artificial intelligence to provide patent pending synchronization software and data driven dashboards from any mobile device. Our solution is targeted at the fitness market and fills the gap between the human driven traditional gyms and data driven AI fitness, allowing gym owners, fitness instructors, and community members to enjoy the benefits of both worlds. We use AI to enhance fitness instructors, not to replace them, because we believe it's time to put the community back in community-based fitness. With 9 out of 10 Americans planning to continue to work out from home, traditional fitness is getting left behind with low-tech band-aids or paper and pencil, while AI fitness is removing the human element altogether. But humans crave social connections with other humans. In fact, it's the greatest predictor of longevity. Our user interviews confirm the importance of community, with 53% of people who exercise and 91% of trainers reporting that they enjoy the aspect of community and interaction with others.